Alright, this video is to describe the difference between T's and Y's in the plumbing vent and drain systems and where and when you can use them. If you take a look, both of these fittings kind of look the same but are not the same. This one, of course, is a Y, obviously, because it's in the shape of a Y. It looks like the letter Y, and clearly that one looks like a T. So there's no mistaking what they are by looking at them. So one of the things to talk about is how they are designed. If you look at this Y and the T, they're both designed for water flow to go a certain direction. If you take a look, this water would flow through here just like that, because obviously if water were flowing through this direction, it would hit this split and not really have a direction, a designated direction. It would just go anywhere. So it's designed for water to only go through these two sides and come out this side. Over here, same exact thing. Water's designed to go through this side and down. Water's designed to come from the top and go down and out this side. So if anytime you look at a T or a Y and you see those openings below the actual fitting that makes it what it is, you know that's where the water should come out, and the water can only go in through the other two openings. That being said, that gives you some direction on how to use them. The next thing is, where can you use them? Okay, on a Y, you can use it pretty much anywhere in any angle. It can set like this, which would be horizontal. It can lay on its side like this. It can be like turned vertical like that. As long as you're flowing from the up and down this way, you can use it like that. The only way you can't use this Y is if you turn it this way with water flowing from top to bottom and going into this outlet end. Okay, so which we talked about earlier, you just can't run water or anything really through that end. Okay, on the T, it's a little bit different. The T can only be used in a vertical application with water like this. So only water can go through this end and this end. You can never lay a T on its side like this. Let's turn it this way. You can never do like that because the angle right here is so sharp. Code enforcement is afraid that things would go through this and get clogged up right here. Or if water goes through here, say you flushed a toilet and you use a T, all the water will go here and splash and run away real fast, but all the solids will land right here and just stop. So then eventually that'll clog it up, which is why this one's designed with flow, so the water will push stuff out the whole time. So with that in mind, you can always use a T like this in this application, and that is about the only way you can use it. You can never use it like that, on its side like that. You can't do any of those. So, and 9 times out of 10, in most cases, you want to just set this to the side unless you're doing plumbing in a vertical application. Anytime you're under a house, you may never see a fitting like that under a house. That's usually above the floor use. This is always used under the house. So when installing this, just keep that in mind. It'll save you a lot of trouble with code and cutting stuff out and replacing it.